Hi guys, so today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy, we have Sweet Wombat, Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis, or Bubbles, with Venom Fluid Art. And then after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. Okay, so today, I am going to, I think, do a swipe. I've got some neons out, mostly, a couple that aren't neons, and we're just gonna have a little play, I think, and just see what we can come up with. I've got my pillow paint down, which is Color to Go Sherwin-Williams in Tricorn Black. I think that's what we're gonna rock with. I think we're gonna use my gold and black cell activator. So it is mixed 2.5 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. I usually go 2.5 to 3, sometimes 2 if it's really hot, because it makes it a lot thinner, but I'd rather have mine a little bit thicker. It makes the cells a little more defined. So I'm gonna quit talking and I will just play some music and let you guys watch.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess mystery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice.
Alright guys, I'm going to pick this up and then I'm going to put it down on something, wipe the bottom because you don't want the drips. It'll keep pulling your paint off, and I'm also touching up the sides here where it didn't go all the way over the side, so don't want to leave that without the paint on it too. So I'm touching that up, and then I'm going to set it down on something, and then I will just bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is with the light on. Boy, she's really pretty. I love those cells right there. They're gorgeous. Yeah, she's really super pretty and sparkly and shiny, and yeah, she's pretty. I like the modifications. Yeah, she turned out really spectacular. So tell me what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and I will do this again and show you with the light off. So alright, here she is with the light off. Yeah, go this one more time. She's super pretty, and the colors and everything just look really good. So, alright guys, I'm going to thank you for coming. Thank you for all your support and love. You know, I appreciate you. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and love to read your comments. And if you have any questions, I will get back to you as well. Leave them there in the comments. Alright guys, have a great day or a great night wherever you are. Shannon Baxman is up next, and our Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe Cat, so don't go anywhere. Love you guys. Have a good day or night. Bye.